In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Lucidchart. So Lucidchart is an intuitive web-based diagramming tool that allows users to create flowcharts, wireframes, org charts, UML diagrams, and more. Whether you're designing workflows, mapping out complex processes, or creating organizational charts, Lucidcharts offer a powerful platform for both beginners and professionals alike. So in this tutorial, I will guide you through the essential features of Lucidchart. So let's get started. So first, if we don't have an account yet, simply let's create a free account. So click on sign up for free and just start free. And let's just continue with our Google account. But if in your case you don't want to use your Google account, you can simply enter your email and sign up for an account. Now this is how the dashboard of Lucidchart will look like. So before we start creating our charts, let's first explore the features right here on the left hand side. So here this is the home dashboard. So you will see the For You page, Agile page, processes. So you'll see a bunch of different templates right here that you can use. So in the bottom, you will see recent documents. So you'll see your recent projects right there. So right here. Now we also have starred projects. So when you start a project, you will always see it right there. Say I have started this. As you can see, it will appear right here. Next is documents. So you'll see all of your documents right here, team folders, and trash. So you can also see files that are shared with you by other people. So if there are projects or documents that are shared to you, you will see it right here. Now in the Discover section, you will see all of the different kinds of templates that they provide. So you can also see this Lucid for education. So it's education templates and integration. So you'll see all of the apps right here that you can integrate to your Lucidchart. So let's just go back. Now let's head over and create our first chart. So let's just find a template right here. But again, you can always create a blank document. But I suggest you use templates so that it's less hassle. So let's say processes or flowcharts, or let's just head over to templates. And I'm just going to search for vision board. So this is the easiest template. So let's say this. Let's click on use template. And let's just wait for it to create your document. And as you can see, this is a vision board. So you can, first you will see a pop-up right like this. So you can invite your coworkers. You can add their emails right here and they will be notified via email. And when they accept the invitation, they can also edit this document. So you can also simply copy the link and send it to them. And when they open the link, they will see the invitation. So now this is how the template looks like. So this is the vision board. So this is the product vision board. So as you can see, they also has the instructions right here. So what is your purpose for creating the product? Simply type here. This is what's good about this templates is that templates has already the instructions on how you can use it. So let's say, what is your purpose for creating the product? You can always type it right here. Which positive change should it bring about? You can type it right here. Now for the target group, which market or market segment does the product address, or who are the target customers and users. Then always add it right here. So now when you already followed all of these instructions, you can always delete these questions. So delete, and just move it right here at the top. Just do it to all of the sections right there, and just make sure that it is aligned like that. Right here, simply delete and move it like that. And now you already have a new product vision board using this template. And again, there are a bunch of different tools right here in the left hand side, which you can use to add some designs or whatever you like. So as you can see, you can add lucid cards, you can add images, emojis, icons to design this product vision board. And you can always delete this too. It's just the trademark icon for this template. And right here, you can always delete this and make your own trademark. So this is what's good about Lucidchart's templates. And again, I'm not limiting you to only use this template. This is just a guide. So you can always use the other templates. So let's go back and let's select other templates. They also have this concept map template right here. Oh, this is a premium template. Let's create a, or let's use a free template. Let's say this task activities. And as you can see, again, they have a instructions right here. Just click on start. And now you can do all of this instructions, estimate the tasks. So items here will not be included in your response. Just click on submit your response. So this is the overview. And you can see the objects right here. Let's go back to the board. This is how it would look like. So as you can see, there's the instructions right here. Edit your activity, save changes, then share with your team. Make better decisions based on the results. Click the visual activities icon on the primary toolbar to explore all activities. So that's basically the gist of it. You can simply select templates and follow the instructions of the templates. And when you get the instructions, you can now simply edit it on your own. So that's basically how to use Lucidchart. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.